Hey there, smart shoppers.
Welcome back to our channel, Buy Smart. Today we have an epic showdown between two treadmills that will make your heart race faster than a sprint.
On the left, we have the NordicTrack T-Series 5 treadmill, and on the right, we have the Rhythm Fun Foldable Treadmill. Get ready to sweat it out as we compare these two fitness machines in various categories.
Let's dive in. Alright, let's talk about everyone's favorite topic, price.
The NordicTrack T-Series 5 treadmill comes in at $599, while the Rhythm Fun Foldable Treadmill is a steal at just $369. That's a price difference that could buy you a whole new workout wardrobe.
Now let's shift gears and look at the features that these treadmills bring to the table.
The NordicTrack T-Series 5 treadmill boasts some impressive features like IFIT compatibility, allowing you to enjoy worldwide outdoor workouts and hands-free resistance adjustments.
Plus, it has a built-in tablet and smartphone holder, so you can watch your favorite shows while you break a sweat.
On the other side, the Rhythm Fun Foldable Treadmill surprises us with a wide running belt, a powerful motor, and even an app that connects you to course training and other runners.
And did I mention it arrives fully assembled? No more struggling with instructions and missing screws. This is a tough one, folks.
Both treadmills bring some fantastic features to the table. It all comes down to personal preference.
Do you crave the IFIT experience or the convenience of a pre-assembled treadmill?
You decide.
Time to put these treadmills to the test in the performance category.
The NordicTrack T-Series 5 treadmill offers a powerful 2.6 chp motor, allowing for constant power during your workouts. With speeds up to 10 miles per hour and incline controls, you can easily adjust your intensity without breaking your stride.
Meanwhile, the Rhythm Fun Foldable Treadmill surprises us with a max speed of 6.7 mph and a remote control for speed adjustments. It may not be as fast as its competitor, but it still packs a punch for those looking for a brisk walk or a light jog.
Okay, let's be real here.
If you're a speed demon and need that extra boost, the NordicTrack T-Series 5 treadmill is the one for you.
But if you prefer a more relaxed pace or want to get some steps in while working, the Rhythm Fun Foldable Treadmill will be your trusty companion. The NordicTrack T-Series 5 treadmill has received positive reviews for its durability, ease of use, and suitability for quick workouts at home. Some reviewers mentioned issues with the heart rate monitor and restarting paused workouts.
On the other hand, the Rhythm Fun Foldable Treadmill is praised for its smooth and quiet operation, convenient storage, and suitability for working while walking. However, some customers had issues with the size and storage of the treadmill. Overall, both treadmills have their strengths and weaknesses, and it ultimately depends on personal preference and specific needs.
And there you have it, folks. Our epic treadmill battle comes to an end. Whether you choose the NordicTrack T-Series 5 treadmill or the Rhythm Fun Foldable Treadmill, you're on your way to achieving your fitness goals.
Remember, it's all about finding the right fit for your lifestyle and budget. Leave a comment below and let us know which treadmill you prefer and why. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more comparisons and reviews. The product links are in the description. Happy shopping!